Many SUVs have seen a sharp decline in value in 2025, making them unwise purchases for consumers. These models are now essentially worthless due to factors like significant depreciation, dependability problems, expensive maintenance, and low resale value. These models are now essentially worthless due to factors like significant depreciation, dependability problems, expensive maintenance, and low resale value. You can avoid financial loss and maintenance hassles by avoiding these SUVs. Number 11, Jeep Compass. Although the Jeep Compass is advertised as a flexible and reasonably priced SUV, many owners say that the combination of slow acceleration, a noisy cabin, and inaccurate steering makes for an unsatisfactory driving experience. The inside has drawn criticism for its use of antiquated technology and subpar materials that don't adhere to contemporary standards. The Compass has also had reliability problems, with problems with the electrical and transmission systems leading to expensive repairs and shorter car lifespans. These elements contribute to low resale values, as does fierce competition in the small SUV market. Because of this, Jeep Compass owners frequently discover that their cars are a bad investment and soon lose value. Number 10, Dodge Hornet. Despite its aggressive design, the Dodge Hornet lacks value and usefulness. It is a rebranded model with limited special features that alienates families looking for practicality and comfort due to its small inside space. Because it lacks features that competitors have as standard, the build quality is seen as being low in comparison to its price. Both low customer demand and a lack of dealer confidence are reflected in its sluggish sales performance. In addition, owners complain about a variety of dependability problems, such as electrical failures and peculiarities in the drivetrain, which raise maintenance expenses. Because of this, the Hornet depreciates quickly. Thus, consumers seeking long-term value are better off avoiding this SUV. Number 9, Land Rover Discovery. Although the Land Rover Discovery is praised for its tough off-road capabilities and opulent appearance, both owners and professionals regularly criticize it for being unreliable and requiring expensive maintenance. Common electrical system problems include broken infotainment systems, defective sensors, and sporadic power outages. Drivetrain issues have led to costly repairs that can cost thousands of dollars, especially for the air suspension and four-wheel drive components. In just the first year, these mechanical problems lead the car to lose between 30% and 40% of its value. The Discovery is a dangerous and expensive ownership option for 2025 purchasers due to its sharp depreciation and persistent reliability issues. Number 8, Maserati Levante. Despite its flair and luxury, the Maserati Levante suffers from severe depreciation and maintenance issues. This SUV depreciates far more quickly than the majority of luxury SUVs, losing between 1/3 and more than half of its market value in a few years. Its high ownership costs, which include costly parts and specialized servicing needs that restrict the pool of qualified mechanics, outweigh its unique design and engine performance. Owners complain about problems like frequent warning lights, troublesome air suspension systems, and electrical malfunctions. The Levante's low value retention is further exacerbated by Maserati's small dealer network and expensive repairs, making it an unwise investment in 2025. Number 7, Jaguar I-Pace. Once praised as a trailblazing EV, Jaguar's I-Pace electric SUV has turned into a financial burden for many owners. Its antiquated electronics and software issues make driving less enjoyable and necessitate regular service visits, despite its appealing design and zero-emission appeal. Since the I-Pace was formally retired in 2024, residual values have decreased as the brand shifts away from this model and parts become more rare. As a result, owners must deal with depreciation of over 70% in just 3 to 5 years, which sharply highlights the dismal resale prospects. In addition to its reputation for unreliability and sluggish charging, the I-Pace is currently seen more as a wasteful investment than a useful car. Number 6, Jaguar E-Pace. Another model that was canceled because of its poor performance in the market was the Jaguar E-Pace. It lacks the sophistication found in high-end SUVs and has poor fuel economy. Many owners experience major repairs, such as engine, transmission, and electrical system failures, during the first year of ownership, indicating the prevalence of reliability issues. Owner annoyance and rapid depreciation result from its withdrawal, which also means less manufacturer support and declining resale demand. Due to its combination of mechanical problems and financial loss, the E-Pace is regarded by both purchasers and existing owners as one of the worst SUVs to borrow or keep. Number 5. Nissan Murano 2024. From ride quality to interior design and technology, the Nissan Murano 2024 continues to operate on an antiquated platform that reflects its age in every way. Although the cabin is nice, its powertrain and technologies lag behind those of its rivals. Weak demand is indicated by the Murano's low resale value, which depreciates by about 33% within a year of ownership. Because of this, the Murano is now seen as a declining asset rather than a prudent investment, making it less desirable to buyers looking for contemporary features and value retention. Number 4. Infiniti QX80 2024. Prior to its anticipated facelift in 2025, the Infiniti QX80 was mostly constructed on antiquated mechanical foundations that did not meet market demands for high-end SUVs. Owners frequently complain about slow powertrain performance and antiquated interior elements. In a single year, the car lost almost 36% of its value, which is indicative of low demand and a lack of competitive advantage in the congested luxury SUV market. Until a new model is released, the QX80 2024 is a bad investment for anybody who wants to maintain value and take advantage of contemporary conveniences. Number 3. Hyundai Ioniq 5. Due to market saturation and the quick technical improvements in the EV industry, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 has experienced significant depreciation while being a popular choice among buyers of electric vehicles. Early models have lost an average of roughly 39.1% of their value in a year due to significant discounts and incentives on subsequent models in 2025. Furthermore, the Ioniq 5 quickly feels out of date due to competitors' growing range and developing battery technologies. This EV's quick depreciation indicates a shifting market and suggests making cautious purchases. Number 2. Tesla Model Y 2024. Despite being the market leader for electric SUVs, Tesla's Model Y depreciates significantly due in large part to its aggressive price strategy and frequent model revisions. The 24 model year was less desirable for buyers wishing to keep equity because of a 40% decrease in resale value in just 1 year. Growing competition that offers comparable or superior range and features at competitive rates also contributes to this quick loss. Model Y buyers should be aware that they are investing in a high-tech product with a significant initial value decline. Number 1. Mercedes EQS SUV. High hopes were placed on the Mercedes EQS SUV when it first entered the luxury electric SUV market, but it has subsequently come under fire for having touch-controlled interfaces that are too confusing, frustrating users, and detracting from the driving experience. Even if the interior is opulent, the observed quality inconsistencies do not warrant the extremely expensive price tag. The EQS SUV's resale value has dropped by over 48% in just a year due to these problems and mild driving dynamics. These problems result in a declining asset with uncertain long-term ownership satisfaction for luxury customers. These SUVs have shown a trend of steep value depreciation, costly repairs, and owner dissatisfaction, making them poor financial decisions if you are planning to buy one in 2025. Avoid these models to save yourself from buying vehicles that are essentially worthless in terms of investment and reliability. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.